How to add comments to Telegram channel. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to add comments on the channels of the Telegram, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After that, tap onto one of the channels that you want to add the comment just like this. Now once you open their channel, here you can find the post on the channel. Now to comment, simply tap on to comment right here at the bottom, just right here, select it. Now tap onto the comment box right here and simply add the comment just like this and simply send it. And that's it. This is how you can add comments to Telegram channel. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.